If you're running a Discord community, you already know one thing. Growth is hard. Managing members, answering questions, assigning roles, moderating chats, it can quickly become overwhelming. But here's the good news. You don't need to do everything manually. With the right automation and role system, you can scale your Discord server faster, smarter, and with less effort. In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful ways to automate your Discord, and how to use roles to turn your server into a well-organized growth machine. Let's get started. Why automation plus roles matter. Before we jump in, let's understand something important. A successful Discord server is built on 3 pillars. Heavy checkmark structure, heavy checkmark engagement, heavy checkmark scalability. Automation helps you scale without burning out. Roles help you organize and personalize the experience. Without them, your server becomes messy, confusing, and inactive. In fact, automation can handle repetitive tasks like onboarding, moderation, and FAQs, freeing up time for meaningful engagement. Automation number 1, welcome and onboarding. First impressions matter. When someone joins your server, what happens next? If nothing happens, they leave. That's why you need automated onboarding. Use bots to send welcome messages, assign a new member role, guide users to rules and channels. This helps new members understand your server instantly and increases retention. Pro tip: ask a simple question like introduce yourself backhand index pointing down to trigger engagement early. Automation number 2, auto role assignment. Roles are the backbone of your Discord server. With automation, you can assign roles based on interests, activity, membership level. For example, video game gamer, laptop computer developer, chart increasing trader. You can even use reaction roles, where users pick their role by clicking an emoji. This creates a personalized experience and helps users find relevant content faster. Automation number 3, moderation and anti-spam. As your server grows, moderation becomes critical. But manually monitoring everything? Impossible. That's where automation helps. Bots can filter spam, block harmful content, auto-mute or ban users. This creates a safe and healthy community environment. And a safe community equals higher retention. Automation number 4, scheduled content and announcements. Want your server to stay active even when you're offline? Automate your content. You can schedule daily questions, weekly updates, event reminders, announcements. Bots and webhooks can even pull content from platforms like YouTube or blogs automatically. Consistency is what keeps communities alive. Automation number 5, gamification and engagement. People love rewards. And that's where gamification comes in. With bots, you can give XP for activity, create leaderboards, unlock roles based on participation. This motivates members to stay active and contribute more. Gamification systems turn passive users into active community members. Automation number 6, support and FAQ systems. Answering the same questions again and again? Automate it. Set up bots that respond to FAQs. Provide instant support. Create ticket systems. This improves user experience and saves hours of manual work. Automation ensures users get help instantly, even when you're offline. Automation number 7, analytics and insights. If you're not tracking your community, you're guessing. Use analytics tools to track active members, engagement levels, retention. Discord even provides insights to measure what's working and what's not. This helps you optimize your growth strategy over time. Role management, the real growth engine. Now let's talk about roles in detail. Roles aren't just labels, they control everything. They define who can access what, who can post where, what users can do. Roles help you. Heavy checkmark organize your server. Heavy checkmark segment your audience. Heavy checkmark create exclusive experiences. For example, free members versus premium members. Beginners versus experts. Region-based communities. Roles make your server structured and scalable. Advanced role strategies. Here's where things get powerful. You can create roles based on fire activity reward active members. Direct hit interests personalized content. Gemstone membership tiers monetization. Trophy achievements recognition. You can even automate role upgrades when users hit milestones. This builds a sense of progress and belonging, which keeps users engaged. Final takeaway. Here's the truth. You don't grow a Discord server by working harder. You grow it by working smarter. Automation handles the workload. Roles create structure. And together, they build a thriving community. If you implement even a few of these strategies, you'll see a huge difference in engagement and growth. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone building a Discord community. And if you want to monetize your Discord or automate it like a pro, start implementing these strategies today.